Bauta kwenekea wikire asense muyimenyerero kabana intwe komoerio gukwarira nto chake korwase kaunti ya Kisii awase umuyego munene bwa masabo okorekana ase chiabisi che county assembly umuyego bagokora wano mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abarai ao gatiabo aba MCA bakora wano monogeri ndosino monogeri we county assembly ya Kisii Dr. Phil Bunyanyumba aba senator nabo gose aba waziri korwase serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii gatiaba ibande mbaikirana abo bakangambya mono na korie ira iyogo cyako bwatirana iro kurwa bokorera burobu ya ase county ya Kisii kingakiye cyo mugavana nigagania abarayi bonsi gosikwa iriyogo ikirana bokorera burobu ya ase serikali ya county ya Kisii muri kaitonde mo Stephen na ikirana so muyego yo na utwarganira roboti asentra yo ikirano.
Before we do that, allow me to say
Nigo yari ntunde ntangani ya masabo ye county ya Kisii inse yobora ibo mugavano kabero Kisii Paul Simba Arati Gwetero moyegoyo nigo renta mabara ibe bunge ya Kisii inse yomonogari Dr. Philip Nyanumba aba MCA be county aba waziri be county gati yabara ibande ime ya Kisii abo barau nabateneri bekinyomba cyo gusasima koro kwege na ao ime ya Kisii.
Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim. Amin. Wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Amin. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana. Amin. Wa fil akhirati hasana. Wa qina adhaban nar.
Ask the Lord to bless your plans and be successful in carrying them out. The plans you have for your family, for your profession, for your county, for the government, for your churches, we ask God to do that.
Prayers are important, even for those ones. Like today, I expect that the clergy will pray for us. We come before God. All of us, we are sinners in one way or the other. Therefore, we come before God to put even the nation before God.
Ensemo ya siasa yekirana nigo yagokera masabayo ayuba igenetara igore na kororo byo bokoreri bwabo ase bikaro bye bunge ya Kisii birairanirere bene omotienyi oyo.
I know you have the resolve to work for the people of Kisii, and as you read Matthew 5:13-16, it says, "You are the salt and the light of the world."
And all these politicians here will wake up every day, even sometimes forgetting to pray because of the pressure of work. So when all seem to be turning dark, when it's becoming challenging, when you feel desperate, we are being asked to humble ourselves, seek God's face, and they will intercede for us.
Ase nkwano yo mugavana Arati nigasingirira buna maiga yo muroberi bwa masabo kohera abise inagendere gusegeta obokorerio buya buraige kamagendera se chiwodi cyonse 45 chia Kisii.
Immediately the budget is passed, my first business, as I promised, is to do those 10 kilometers road network. We're going to do cabros in this town, so that we can attract more investors. So that is it. No angel will fall from heaven to fix our current mess. We must purpose ourselves to fix it. We must feel for the society. We've been given an opportunity. Another person would have been given that position that you are in. I want to beg with you, my good people. Please.
Magega yo moyega bwa masabo ye county ya Kisii kujara kobago koera nigo bono mugavana Paul Simba Arati arurira bana chikwana kibuno kubwatira no kuyankororo gacheche semo ibere chobora ibwe county ya Kisii semo ya executive bwata ba chief officer amona ba waziri amona semo ya county assembly wate aba MCA kurwachi wode 45 che county ya Kisii. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV koroiga sama gache assembly ya Kisii. Eri tariane ndemo Stephen.